Are you a college student dreaming of traveling, but your wallet is holding you back? Well, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to travel on a budget without breaking the bank. I'm talking about cheap flights, free accommodation, and budget-friendly activities. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around because I'm about to make your travel dreams a reality. Plan ahead. Tip number 1, start planning early. The earlier you book, the cheaper it gets. I know we all love that last-minute spontaneity, but when it comes to travel, last minute often means expensive. So start planning your trips well in advance. Whether it's flights, hotels, or even tours, booking ahead of time is key to scoring the best deals. Check out flight comparison sites like Skyscanner, Google Flights, or Kayak to find the cheapest options. These websites will allow you to compare different airlines and find the best prices available. Accommodation on a budget. Now, let's talk accommodation. One of the biggest expenses when traveling is where you're going to stay. But I'm here to tell you, there are budget-friendly options out there. First up, stay in hostels. Hostels are a fantastic option for students. You get to meet people, make new friends, and they're way cheaper than hotels. You can also use platforms like Airbnb, where you can book entire apartments or even just a room in someone's home, often for less than a hotel room. And if you're really looking to save, try couchsurfing. It's a free way to stay with locals and experience the culture from a local's perspective. Getting around on a budgie. All right, tip number 3, transportation. Traveling between cities can add up fast, but there are some budget-friendly tricks. First, always try to use public transport. Trains, buses, and metros are much cheaper than taxis or renting a car. Plus, you get to see more of the city. If you're traveling between cities, look into buses or trains instead of flights. They're often cheaper, and you get to enjoy the scenery along the way. Don't forget about student discounts. Many cities offer student travel cards that give you discounts on transport. Eating on a budget. Let's talk food, because eating out every day while traveling can drain your budget. But you don't have to eat ramen noodles every day either. My advice? Hit up local grocery stores and cook your own meals. It's way cheaper than eating out 3 times a day. Pick up some fresh fruit, bread, snacks, or ingredients for simple meals. And if you're in a city with a vibrant street food scene, definitely take advantage. Street food is not only delicious, but often much cheaper than restaurant dining. Free or low-cost activities. When it comes to activities, I'm all about finding fun things to do that are free or super low cost. Think hiking, visiting parks, or checking out free museums. Many cities offer free entry to museums on certain days, so always look up that info before you go. Take advantage of free walking tours or use apps like Meetup to find local events. Not only will you save money, but you'll also get a more authentic experience of the place. Extra budget hacks. Here are a couple of extra budget hacks to make your travels even cheaper. Tip number 1, pack light. Avoid paying extra baggage fees by sticking to just a carry-on. It's easier and saves you money. And if you're flying, check for student deals or use travel reward points. Some credit cards offer great travel perks, including discounts on flights and hotels. Budget-friendly destinations. Finally, let's talk about where to go. If you're looking to stretch your dollar, some destinations are just naturally more affordable for students. Countries in Southeast Asia like Thailand or Vietnam, Eastern Europe like Hungary or Romania, and South America are perfect for budget travel. These places offer affordable accommodations, cheap food, and amazing experiences without breaking the bank. So there you have it, my top tips on how to travel on a budget as a college student. I hope this video helps you start planning your next adventure without worrying about money. Have you been to any budget-friendly destinations? Drop your tips in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Safe travels, guys.